Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and email Expedia. Now, all you need to do is come here and type in hotline@expedia.com. And what I'll do, I'll also give you a template you can go ahead and work with. So let me write down the subject. So my subject will be request for refund for a canceled flight booking. Make sure you include your booking ID so they can actually assist you. They can actually track everything. Okay. Now let me add the body of text. All right. So you can do this. Dear Expedia customer service, explain that you recently booked a flight through their service and make sure you include the booking ID and just explain what happened, right? Let's say it was canceled by the airline, not yet received a refund, and you would like to request one as per the airline's policy. Just let them know that you want assistance on the way forward and make sure you appreciate them. Say things like thanks in advance and best regards, salutations. Make sure you sign off well. And you should be getting the assistance you require as long as you include the booking ID. Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.